Today I'm going to show you how to change bulb or rear bulbs. Citroen DS3. Obviously, we're just going to use the right hand side as an example. The left's the same. I'm just moving my jackets about, so these grills just pull out. Hopefully we'll be able to see. A little bit awkward, as they always are. There's an arrow there. Put your fingers in. Just prise it out. It's just held on with the little clips. Slot in there. That's a little foot pump tucked in there, out of the way. What you need to do, need to be able to show you, so I'll try and locate it first. Right, so you put your hand and go up a little bit, and you'll feel a little plastic. It's just a little plastic wheel. I'm going to, just at the end of my finger, see if I can point it out, just there. It's on a bit of a spindle, plastic spindle. You just turn it anti-clockwise. It's quite a long one. Again, as per normal, a bit fiddly, and you have to do a lot by feel. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the thread just in there. Place it somewhere safe, and that releases the lens cover. It's the whole plastic all the way around. Just gently ease it out. Don't let it fall. If you do, it cracks, it becomes a major issue. Some of them you lift up a little bit, some of them you lift up and out. Tease it out. There you go. Some from the bottom, and then electrics plug here, and then you just squeeze. Center one there. If you squeeze, press that in, see it moves, and that releases that clip, and then that releases the whole light cluster. Turn it around. That's where the little thing we had earlier, that's what that screws onto. And it goes through that hole there. To get into the back of your lights, tabs, 4 of them. You've got 4 tabs, just make sure that they're released. It's a bit awkward doing it one-handed. And the whole lot pulls out, giving you access to bulbs. make sure that when you put it back on, that the seal, water seal, is back in the groove. So when they've been taken off a few times, they do get trapped and twisted. To remove the bulb, spring loaded, push them in, and they come out. They're just held on. And just remember, can you see the, I'll lay it down, I might be able to show you. These little pimples that stick out, they're offset, and also twin filament. So just change like for like, and then replace, so we can see what we've got. I'll put a link in the description where to get the bulbs from my Amazon links, and the sizes and everything. But if you can see, P21 5 watts, something like that, can't quite make them out, but E11s. So yeah, to replace, back into the slot, gently push against the spring, and turn to the right, and then they're all in. And then obviously fitting is removal. And all you've got to do, sorry if there's any wind buffeting noises, just replace. Looking at the shapes, there is a bit of a wavy shape this end, fits in there. So just make sure that that seal, water seal, is fitted back in the groove. It's a little bit twisted just there, and made. But this sort of time is to give it a bit of a clean. So I'm just lining everything up. As you can see, the thread comes through the same hole as that. You just gently press till all the lugs click back in. So try to hold it. One hand, it's a bit awkward. You'll hear the last click. Got it there. Place it, again line everything up. Sorry about the dodgy camera works, because holding and filming are always awkward. So then, before you put everything back in place, just push the electrics back in, make sure it's nice and firm, and line up that thread with that hole, and that will also should centre just a step back, just make sure that everything's lined up. Drop the camera. As it when I removed it, it seemed to pull out from the bottom, so maybe there we go. Have a quick look underneath if there's any special. Just getting everything up. That doesn't seem right. little place there where it sits. You've got a little top fits in that one. There must be, yeah, there's another one on the other side. So line them up as well. Probably a lot easier to do. And also, just noticed, there's one just there that fits in a hole there. So once they're all lined up, shouldn't be a problem. It's a case of lining all the holes up with all the. There you go. A little bit fiddly and awkward with, like I say, one hand. And then back round, screw it back in. You can do it by hand. Feel with your fingers for the there's a circle in the plastic of the bodywork, and that thread, that silver thread, just you can just about feel it with your finger and screw it back on. Not too tight because they're only plastic and they will crack. The way I do it is finger tight till about there, and then come round, just pull. That feels nice and tight. Grill back in. Right way around. There's like these little tabs at the bottom, just fit over the felt. And there you go, just pops back into place. So that's it. I hope you found it of some help. Again, the left is exactly the same as the right, but other side obviously. So if you'd like to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any more. That is the rear light bulb change, and if you even have a damaged light cluster, lens cluster, how to remove that and swap that over as well. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.